Imagine getting paid for just talking. No degree, no experience, no huge startup cost. Literally, just chatting with people who are lonely, bored, or looking for companionship. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make real money online doing just that. Stay tuned because the opportunity I'm about to share could change the way you look at making money from home. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samuel Dollar, and this is where we uncover the legit ways to make money online and side hustles you probably never even thought about. If that sounds good to you, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Now, let's get into the world of making money chatting with lonely people. And trust me, you are going to want to stick around until the end because I'll also reveal one secret method that almost nobody is talking about. So first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why on earth will anyone pay you just to chat with them? Here is the thing. Loneliness is a problem. Studies show that millions of people suffer from social isolations, and many of them are willing to pay for companionship, conversations, or just having someone to listen to them. And it's not all about loneliness. Some people pay for accountability partners, language practice, or even just entertainment. Think about it. We already spend hours chatting every day on WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. What if we could actually monetize those conversations? Alright, so let's get to the good part. So where exactly can you do this? I'm going to run through some of the platforms people are already making money by just chatting and you can jump into. The first platform is Rent a Cyber Friend. This one is like a modern pen pal for the digital age. You get matched with people around the world based on interest, and you can even opt on video calls like a virtual coffee date. The pay ranges from about 10 cents to $1 per minute, which means up to $60 an hour. They do take a 20% commission, but for the international reach, it's a solid start. The second website is Rent a Local Friend. Here is a cool twist. Rent a Local Friend lets you be a city guide for tourists or just virtual friends online. Perfect if you love your city or sharing local stories. Average earnings are around $20 an hour, but you can get to set your own rates. The catch? They take 30% cut. But if you enjoy history or cultural chats, it's worth it. The third website is Texting Factory. This platform is text only, which means complete anonymity. You'll play different roles depending on what customers want, and the company says most chat operators pull in 300 to 400 weekly. It's also fantasy based, so your personal info stays private. They even provide training, which makes it beginner friendly. The fourth platform is Fiverr Marketplace. Now, you probably know Fiverr, but here is the hack. You can create custom gigs for being a virtual friend. That could be hosting game nights, language exchanges, or even role playing. Rates range anywhere from $5 to several $1,000 depending on how you package your service. Competition is fierce, but Fiverr's huge traffic makes it a strong option. Most people think Upwork is only for professional freelancing, but under their lifestyle and wellness category, you can actually offer friendly chats or empathetic calls. A 15 to 20 minutes chat can start at $15 to $20, and 1 hour session could hit $60. With consistency, 3 calls a day can be $180. Commission starts at 20% but drops to 10% as you build long-term clients. Chat Recruit. Based in the UK but open worldwide. Chat Recruit offers a mix of adult and psychic chat services. You can work via text, phone, or even webcam. No experience required, and you set your own rates. The nice thing is they prioritize privacy, so you can stay anonymous. The ninth website is Text One-to-One Chat. This one's been around since 2003, mainly focused on adult text chats. They accept operators from the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and South Africa. training is provided, and hours are flexible. But you should be ready for explicit content. If you are comfortable, it's reliable side hustle. The 10th platform is Papa. Here is one with art. Papa connects you with older adults who need companionship or light assistance. It pays $15 to $30 per visit, depending on tax and location. It's more than just chatting, sometimes helping with errands or keeping someone's company. You need a background check, but many find it really meaningful. Lastly, we've got Hoop, a digital marketplace you can sell membership, courses, or private communities. You could set up a subscription for private chats, accountability groups, or even daily support. Creators here earn anywhere from a few hundreds to $5,000 per month. The key is building a loyal base willing to pay monthly for access. So, as you can see, there is a wide range of platforms. Some are casuals, some are niche, and some let you scale into real business. And the best part is, you can stack a few of them together to maximize your earnings. Each of these platforms works slightly different, but the idea is the same. You are getting paid for the conversations. Some pay per hour, some pay per message, some per session. And depending on how active you are, this can be a nice side hustle or even a full-time gig. So, how much can you make with this platform? On average, you can earn anywhere between $10 to $50 per hour, depending on the platform and the type of chatting. Some even pay you per text message sent, which means you can squeeze in quick earnings during the day. But here is the cool part. The more engaging and consistent you are, the more repeat clients you get. And repeat clients is where the real money comes in. Think of it like building your little fan base of people who pay just to stay in touch with you. Here is the secret method I promise I'll give out. Here is the part most people won't tell you. The real secret to making serious money from chatting is not just being available, but adding value to your conversation. For example, instead of just small talk, you can position yourself as an accountability partner who helps someone stick to their goals, a motivational or positive energy friend, a practice buddy for language learning, or even someone who shares funny memes and entertainment daily. And if you want to scale this up, you can actually package your chatting as a subscription plan. Imagine offering a weekly or monthly membership for unlimited chat access. That's how people turn a simple side hustle into a full-time income stream. It's absolutely possible making money online chatting with lonely people. And depending on how much effort you put in, it can go from pocket money to a serious income stream. Now, I want to hear from you. Will you actually try this? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more legit make money online tips, and hit the bell so that you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.